So here's how to create free Ghibli style art, which can be done on mobile or PC. So we're gonna use ChatGPT. So let's go to chatgpt.com. Make sure you're logged in, and then in the prompt, we're gonna include the image we want to turn into Ghibli style, and then write the prompt, turn this image into Ghibli style, and then press enter to submit it. And then let's just wait for it. It should take a while, relatively long time compared to generating normal images. Now, once it's completed, you should get your Ghibli style image. It should look like this for speed example. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.